Hello everyone. This is Ritik from Speak with Ritik, and today's our topic is that and any not in any particular topic, and we will talk about our life, our journey, and how can we manage time, and how can we do practice, and how can we learn something else. Don't not any single English and communication as we will talk about our life. So just I am a student, and I'm keep learning, and I'm a candidate that just I am preparing for government job, very well. But just this is a only uh, this is a only single things that I am focusing, like my government sector. But as well as I want to improve my communication skills and my personality development. So that's why I'm adding my time. That's why I'm taking some time to improve my communication skills. So just that's why I am recording my video. And after recording my video, what did I do? And I do every day that first of all I realize that what mistakes I am being and I'm doing. And I am just a lack of confidence, lack of feel hesitation, and lack of don't maintain eye contact. And this is then more things. And I realized in my after making my video. And you can also realize that just I stopping like so just I am practicing, try to improve my fluency in English. So you can also fluence in English speaking. Just this is yeah, you can also feel that if you go anywhere. Just if I telling my story, and I went yesterday in bank. And there are too much long line. and and I said to the guard, sir, सर मैं अंदर जा सकता हूँ? तो उन्होंने मतलब मुझसे ऐसा रिएक्ट करा कि भाई जैसे कि मतलब उन्होंने मुझसे कुछ उल्टा बोला। तो जस्ट एंड आफ्टर 5 मिनट, एंड अगेन आई विल go again. So just I speak in English, and just so please sir, can I go inside the bank? So just because I have some piece of work, and this is so please give me permission to enter enter in bank, enter bank. So they realized, and they realized that this is not a normal person, this is not a common man. And they allowed me to go inside. They enter they allowed me to enter in bank. And just I go to the counter number one, that because I want to withdraw some money. So that's why I went here. So and I talk with the manager of bank. And they are getting understanding me that I am not a common man, not a journal man. Just when I talking with in English. So he's also talking that 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 person is belonging to village. And how he can speak English, and how he is speaking English, because I'm back from village background. So that's why he was shocked. And this is not at this is not at a surprise. But in our area, and in our locality, and you can understand also that if you go anywhere and not in a bank, and you can also go anywhere. So you will try to speak in English. And how will you try to speak in English, and why and when? So because if you are practicing today, and if you are keep learning today, and if you are practicing in and different type of topics, that's we are practicing on these topics. So after practicing and after keep learning and after practicing making video, and so that that's after that you will also talk with someone, and because confidence will come to practice. Confidence comes to keep patience. And you should not think about like I am a fluent I am speaking in I am speaking with fluency or not. And you should also don't about thinking that I am 100% correct in grammar or not. You should know, you should not think, yeah, definitely you should start first you should start, because without starting and just I am feeling like I am busy in this work and I can't speak with publicly, and I can't because I am not improve in grammar. So this day will never come, and you have to start today. Please one things promise to me that I will start from today. And no one thinks that just I am talking about any topic, and you can start with small sentences, your daily life conversation, and your speak with your younger brother and younger friends, because they don't want they will not understand English. But you have to speak with that person, that children. You can also start with this, speak with children, little children, this 5 and 6 year olds, because using this practice you can build your confidence, and uh, you can improve your hesitation, and you can improve your communication skills. So because I also started with communicate with the younger children in my village, and because I know very well that and he will not understand what I'm saying. just just keep practicing and just keep learning something. So that's why I speak with that person, that children. So you can also start with things and don't make excuse. If I made an excuse, so I can also made. But if I want to improve my English, and if I want to communicate with the people, and if I want to as well as speaking in English, so just we don't make any excuse, and we have to let's start. At least we have to start with anything. Just you are doing anything and you can start, like if I am riding bike, so like मैं अपनी बाइक चला रहा हूँ, तो उसमें मैं बोल सकता हूँ, मतलब मैं just I want to tell you my reality. Just when I comes to library uh, by my bike, so just I practicing sentences like just I am riding bike, and he is going towards me, and she is going towards me. And you will also observe each moment with different things, and you can understand, and you can speak with these things, like this is the grass, and this is buffalo, and this is cow, and this is monkey, and this is umbrella, and this is mango tree, and this is garden, and this is canal, and this is main road. And you can practice with these things. And this is the like boogie in our, I don't know what in English, like जो बैलगाड़ी होती है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली लर्न. So that you can see different type of things, and you can you can improve your communication skills. Don't make any excuse, because just we have to start, yeah. If we don't start, so we can't improve our skills, and we can't improve ourselves in any day. Because they no, that day will never come. That just I'm just if I feel that I will, when I will become fluency, when I will become a fluence in English speaking, then I will start. So that will never, that day they will never come, because I belong to village background, so that's why I have some lack of environment. But even a lack of environment of English language, and I am starting, and I start also English speaking. And you can also start with, if you are going to your field, and you are, if you are doing something in your field, so you can also remember in your mind, and what I am doing, and what is the vocabulary of these things, like grass मतलब घास, जो दरांती, ये सब चीज़ किस जो हमारे फार्मर्स हैं, जो हम भाई, मैं खुद ऑल्सो, आई एम ऑल्सो फार्मर. So like there are so many things like Dranti, Favda, and Parat, and बैलगाड़ी, मतलब in our locality, and we call buggy and reda also. So you can you should know very well that what is the meaning of these things, and how can we denote with this things. So we have to just keep learning. Don't make any excuse, just I am from village background, or I am from city. Don't make any excuse. Just let's start, and at least try to start. And if you starting, like if you are also belonging to city, so you can you have to also, you should also start with things. And I think you can with to connect with the people in English, because in city most of the people will can talk in English, and just you can talk with your family. If I telling my true story, and and how did I practice, and how do I practice, as well as also just I speak with my mother. I know very well, and she don't getting understand English language, but but I try to speak with any things like mummy मुझे पानी दे दो, just mother please, my dear mother please give me water, and मदर मदर मम्मी मुझे मतलब खाना दे दो, प्लीज़ मदर प्लीज़ गिव मी food and prepare food. And you can start with this small things, and don't make any excuse, and let's start, let's practicing. And we have to also, after when we will uh, do practicing, and then we will as well as we will work our communication skills, and we can our pronunciation skills also, that the zero and zero, and this is the big difference in two called. And so keep learning, keep practicing, and we will meet in next video. Until then, keep practicing, and try to start recording your video, and recording your uh, video, and finalized your mistakes, and work on that mistakes, so you can improve definitely. Because I am just trying to these things as well as in my life also. So this is not a any this is not a, any this is not only uh, only things that I am telling you, just I am feeling, and I am also applying it in my life. So keep learning, keep watching, and we will meet in next video with different topic. So just till then, take care, bye bye. Okay.